Hello everybody, welcome back to Sparkle Web. So today I want to walk you through our project, Django project. We're able to build an inventory management system where you have two users, admin that controls both the back end and the front end, and also add product to the table, can also delete, edit. And also we have the next one is user, where users can only place orders. Okay, so I want to walk you through to give you a demo of this project. So without any further ado, let's dive in. So when user comes in here and click get started, you have two options: either to create an account if you're a new user, or you can sign in if you already have an account. So I will show you the both ways. Okay, and admin does not need to sign up. Admin have an automatic login. Okay, so let me log in as an admin. Okay, a login is George, and I'll put in my password and I'll say login. Now, as you can see, it takes me to admin dashboard. You see welcome George, whichever name, okay, that I used in registering this account. You see welcome George to your admin dashboard. So as an admin, I have the liberty to add, to create products, and also to view users orders. Okay, so we have two tables. The first table is looking at all products, and the other one looking at the order list where users, and you see the user's name here. Okay, let me zoom in a bit. Okay, that's all right. Okay, so now as an admin, I can come here and say add products. I can say let's say ebooks, and I'll say 20, and I say submit. You can see that it already comes. Let me go ahead and delete this. Okay, all right, for the demo purposes. All right, so I've added, I say ebooks. All right, so now if I come back here to add, I can say okay, I need let's say hard copy books, and I can say 50 copies, and I submit. You now see that we have two products. Now we don't have any orders yet. Okay, there is no order for now. All right, so now as an admin, I can update, I can change the name, I can also change the quantity, I can update, I can also cancel, I can also delete. Like if I click here, I've deleted the hard copy. Now let me log out. No, I've not fully like I need to put a logout button where admin or user can log out, but for now let's just look at the back end. Let's just go this route for now. All right, so let me sign up as a user. I think I already had one. Let me just log in. I used Bill 123 and log in. All right, so now as you can see, I already sign up as one user, but I'm going to sign up again for you to see how this app works. Okay, welcome Bill to your dashboard. Order list is empty. I can go ahead and place order, and this takes us to order page. Don't mind the interface, it's not looking fine. You know, I have not done the front end completely. I can say okay, you just have only one order. I can say ebook, and I can choose my quantity. I say 10 and I place order. Now when you come here, you can see that we now have one order ID 1, product ebooks, quantity 10, and the user is Bill, and date created, and this is the date that I made this order at about 1:34 p.m. You look at my time here, it's not correct though, but we are going to make justice to that. All right, so now I can still go ahead, but there are no orders, so admin has to make orders before we can be able to to purchase or to make order, and we need to create product for us to be able to order. Let me just go ahead and create more project. Let me just go ahead and log in. Okay, so let me quickly create products. Let me use cap lock. Let's stop this. Hard copy 30. Let's say laptops 50 quantity. I can add again. I can say desktop. I can say 20. And all right, so that will be enough for now. Now let's copy this. All right, go to new tab and paste it. Now I want to log in as an admin, as a user, so that we'll not be going back and forth. Let me log in. All right, so let me place order. Now we now have many order. I can order this. Can say 5 of it. Place order. I can go ahead and place order again. I can say laptop 15. All right, so it appears here. Now there's one good thing is that each user sees only items pertaining to them. As I log in as Bill, as a user, I cannot see another person order. Okay, I can only see my own order. But admin have, like an admin, if I refresh, admin can see every other orders. Okay, you see here we have user Bill made 3 orders today, and this is our own the total product in our cart, all right, or in our database. All right, so now let me go ahead and log in as another. Let me go ahead and create a user. Let me sign up. Let me get started. I can say okay, Okunamit. I can say okay at Gmail, just a demo mail. I can create password. It's already by default role a guest, so admin don't need to create an account. Okay, admin, there's already account created for admin. I go ahead and sign up. It will now redirect me back to sign in page. I will now go ahead and enter my username, and I will enter my password and login. Now, as you can see, place order, welcome Okunama to your dashboard. Now, every user must receive this welcome message with your name, your username, whichever name you used. Okay. Now, this user does not have any order. Remember, if you go to here, order list, we have Bill created 3 orders already. So this new user does not have any orders. Let's go ahead and place order. Let's say hard copy. I say 25. I place order. I now have order. If I go back as an admin will now see why is this not showing? Let me just go ahead and let me refresh this. Okay, as you can see, I refreshed. Now you can see that Okunamat, being this user, made this order, place an order for hard copy. If you come to admin dashboard, we have this. Now let Okunamat place another order. Let's say laptop. I say 8. I place order. I now have here laptop 8 by Okunamat. If I come back to admin dashboard, refresh, you can see laptop 8 by Okunamat. Now, but if I log out from Okunamat and go back to Bill will not see Okunamat orders. Likewise, Okunamat will not see Bills. See, as you can see, there is no bill here. So let me just log out here and log in as Bill, so that you see that you will not see Bill will not see Okunamat orders. Okay, I've logged in as Bill. Look at it here, Bill. So Bill, but Bill will not see, there's nothing. Bill will not see Okunamat's orders here, but admin have the privilege to see both Bill and Okunamat orders. Okay, so this is what we call inventory management system. All right, using Django. Okay, so I use Django to build this project. Okay, both front end, I use CSS and HTML for the front end, while I used Django for the back end. Now this is my code. If I go to my VS Code, all right, so this is my code. As you can see, my server is running at port 8000. All right, so this is all my codes. You can see this is my app, and this is my template for products admin, and I have my base HTML. So this is all what you're seeing front end. This is the back end. This is my home, sign up. This is my sign in. This is admin dashboard. So our products and the other. Okay, so this is the guest. Okay, dashboard to filter by user and redirect us back to guest dashboard. This is the function for add, and this is a function for order list and the place order, and this is a function to delete, edit. And so this is all what we need. We call CRUD operation. So with this, you can be able to create a stunning website like this, web app. Okay, be it school management system. If you look at my channel, you see that I posted a demo of school management system. Okay, similar like this. Okay, but this one is more advanced than that of the school management system. So if you are interested to learn Django, or you want me to build a project like this for you, or you are a business owner, you want to have your own inventory management system, or to have a school management system, you can also come to my DM. You can contact me to build something like this for you. So